Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best way to contact DoorDash customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, because using the app you can't speak to customer service there. And now in Google, type in DoorDash customer support and then go ahead and click on enter. You'll be brought to Google search results here. So this is the best way to contact DoorDash. They've got a phone number here for US, Canada, Australia, and they've even got an email here as well. So drive-support@DoorDash.com. You can also go and have a look at their article as well from DoorDash. So as it states here, DoorDash customer support. And you can have a look at how do I contact support. You've got the phone number, all the different area or country codes. Scroll down, email. Even got merchant portal, drive integrations, inquiries. And if you still need help, keep scrolling down the bottom here, and they've got a big still need help question mark button that you can press on. And now if you need help with my current order or past orders, go ahead and click through that. So if you need help with a past order, click on past order and then click on which past order you'd like help on.